I thought that said Merry Christmas. I was like...
He's getting smart. He's like, I'm just going to stand here.
Josh?
Yeah.
Josh?
Yeah.
That's pretty paper.
That'd be funny.
It is.
Get a birthday present for somebody, and then it's all wrapping and all, you know, tissue paper.
What is this supposed to mean, huh?
What is that? It's for one day. That'd be mean.
No.
Exactly. We're building up to it.
You'll figure it out. Every year you'll get something new.
Uh-oh. Looking at me like, I don't want that.
Birthday!
Surprise!
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 Birthday?
He has to be on his back.
What? You want it behind your back? Do you want a red one? Do you want a purple one?
They're so cute.
He's like, I have nothing.
You didn't take them. It's like a handful instead of moon.
Hi, Logan.
Here. You want to put them in the box?
Wow, that would be so much better.
Yeah.
There you go.
Got
like
a lot
hiding.
of tissue
Smart
there.
thinking. Have our own little cleaning crew here.
Yeah. I want one of these forever.
Is it? It's an iPod Touch?
Here.
Oh. It's an iPhone.
No, this is a music player.
Yeah.
Open the key. Oh.
Yeah.
It's one of those old cassette players we got at Goodwill.
Yeah. You pop one of those little mini tapes in the back.
It's like
We
$10.
just kept
you
the
know?
box
It's an old Walkman.
from the girls.
Like the, what was it, the answer machines used to have, those little mini tapes.
Oh yeah, I still
God.
have that from when Candace was born.
Be like, this is my iTouch. Hold on, let me change the tape.
Look, scared.
Thank you very much, you guys.
Huh? Waterfall. It's so scared.